370. 370 your turn now. 370, bit of a 70, bit of a 372. 72. 372. Well done now. 70.
Phillip Frame from Frame Real Agents Inverell. We just had our April Weaner Sale here today, combined ages, 3,100 cattle, very good quality yarding of cattle.
Not me. 1150, 75, 1175, $1,200, $1,200, $1,200, $25, $1225, $50, $1250, $1,250, $1,250, $1,250, $75, $1,275, $1,300, $1,300, throwing the money there, $1,300, or don't want it in front of you, $1,300, or don't want it, or $1,300.
The heavy Angus steers 380 kilos, made $4.44, and the lighter steers made up to $5.20. In the heifers, Angus heifers made to 372 cents a kilo, but a lot of the heifers, the plainer quality heifers, were back in the 320s and 330s. Crossbred cattle sold well. We had 60 odd Santa steers of Bradshaw Family Trust met down at Bingra, 250 kilos, made $4.74, and a lot of other Charolais cross steers making the 450 and 460. But a very good sale here today, fully firm on our sale a month ago.
Are you partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent?